Welcome to Khali Yoga Center. My name is Ian. I'm one of the teachers and leaders here at the studio. And today I am here with Carrie, another one of our awesome teachers. And we are here to break down Flip Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana Flip. And we're going to talk about the pose, the alignment and action principles of the pose. We'll talk about some things that are commonly misaligned in Flip Dog, and then ways that you can amplify or modify the pose to fit your unique body. All right, so let's get started. We're going to begin. Carrie's going to start in downward facing dog, and we'll talk about how we typically get into Flip Dog. So starting in down dog, Carrie's going to lift her left leg up to the sky in 3-point and then bend the knee to start opening the hip. And then she's going to allow the natural pull of gravity to bring her left foot all the way to the ground, and her left hand is going to leave the mat. So she comes into this back bend shape. Now the general form of the pose, as you can see, she's got 3 points of foundation. Her feet are on the ground and one of her hands is down. And then she's in this back bend shape. And then the more specific alignment that we're working with is Carrie's feet are both on 12 o'clock here with her knees on top of her feet. And her hips are lifting up to the sky and then her heart is going forward, arching the upper body. And then the energy within the pose, she's pressing down into her heels, creating a strong grounding energy. And that helps lift the hips up naturally, this drawing up and in. And then from the hips, there's this extension out through the spine and the chest pulling forward with a powerful reach in the left hand. And then her right hand is strong and grounded, so she has that powerful foundation to pull energy up and out from. So now let's talk about some of the things that are commonly misaligned when we come into Flip Dog. So Carrie, take downward facing dog again. And Carrie, lift the left leg up. And then often as people bend the knee and bring the feet to the ground, often they land real far apart with the feet and the feet will kind of be turned out and misaligned. And this just loses power because the foundation is splayed out more rather than directly underneath. So to correct for this, Carrie's just going to bring her feet in a little closer together so they're right in line with her hips. And you can see already her hips lift up more naturally that way with the feet grounded and powerful foundation. Another place we kind of lose this sometimes is often as people flip over, the hips will kind of dip down and they lose the back bend energy. So pushing into the feet and lifting up through the hips naturally opens that big arc in the body. Beautiful. All right, now some fun ways that we can play with Flip Dog, amplifying the pose, getting creative, or some ways that you can modify it as a way to come into the pose with some more stability. So starting in down dog, Carrie's going to lift her left leg and bend her left knee to open the hips. Now this is a perfect place if Flip Dog is offered and you feel more solid and stable here and Flip Dog isn't in your practice, this is a great place to work. Then to get into it, Carrie can bring her left foot to the ground, and then as she does that, she can let her hips come all the way to the earth, and then from here, repositioning the feet can be a little bit more accessible for some folks. And then from there, press into the feet, lift the hips, and reach the left hand forward and out from the solid foundation. Now, from here, Carrie can reach her left hand even closer to the ground, and you can even come into full wheel. And you'll see that she turned her supporting hand around, so now her hands are both aligned with the fingers pointing toward the heels, and she's got this strong, powerful back bend possible from Flip Dog right into full wheel. And then to come out of full wheel into 3-point, she'll turn that bottom hand around and unflip, lifting the left leg up and returning to downward facing dog. So there's some fun ways you can play with Flip Dog in your practice and see where it can go from here. Thanks for joining us at Khali Yoga Center. Thanks for your help, Carrie. Have an awesome day.